Alright, so I'm going to program a key for a 2014 Chrysler 200. We have the key here already cut. I'm going to ignition on, and then I'm going to use the little ikey 820 here to try to get this done. So I'm going to go into key program. We're going to find Chrysler by vehicle. This is a 200 2014, and we want to select pin code and key. So the first thing we're going to want to do is pull the pin code, which is 4593, and then we simply come here and we're in 4593. Okay, we hear a ding, we see the dash reset, and we see the immobilizer light there flashing. Now our scan tool will say success. I don't see the light flashing anymore, but I don't think that light's too good of an indicator for these, because sometimes it will keep flashing. But what we're going to do is go ahead and just turn it off. I'm going to pull the key out. Just going to wait a little bit, maybe 5 seconds, something like that. And now I'm going to put the key back in. I'm going to turn to the on position, not crank, just on position, and I'm going to watch the security light. And I see that it cut off, and it did not come back on, so it is good. I'm going to go ahead and try to start. We can see the car is running, there's no lights, RPM going there. The flickering is just because of my camera here. There's no flickering in actuality that we can see with the eye anyway. I'm going to check the remote. That's good. So all done. 2014 Chrysler 200 ikey 820, no problem.